Let's spend our one evening in Herrngarden Darmstadt. It's the best place to soak yourself in nature, surrounded with sculptures and big trees that enhance the beauty of this place. Herrngarden is the oldest known park of the town of Darmstadt. The urban garden was established in 16th century by merging several smaller parks and gardens. This garden also have a small pond which a small island in between, offers the home to many different species of ducks and birds. This place also offers a playground for basketball. If you love art, you will definitely like the art on walls. It's the best place for picnics and to cycle around the garden and relax in nature. The garden has a small cafeteria that offers big screens during football league season. Who's your favorite team in football? Let me know in comments. Till then, see you in next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to explore around more with me.